Hello, welcome to the class of prefixes. A prefix is a group of letters added to the beginning of a word to form a new word. Let's know the meaning of some common prefixes along with examples. Prefix anti means opposite to something. Example word with prefix anti is antiseptic. It means a chemical used to oppose or prevent infection in an injury. Sentences: the doctor used an antiseptic to clean and dress the wounds. Other examples with prefix anti are antibiotic, antibody, anticlockwise, antidepressant. Prefix co means together or joint or partner in an activity. A word with prefix co is coexist. It means existing at the same time or in the same place. Its sentence is modern farming methods coexist with traditional practices. Other examples are co-education, co-worker, co-star. Another prefix de means removal or separate. It is used for giving word the opposite meaning. Example: deactivate. It is opposite of activate, that is, to cause something to be no longer active. Sentences: the bomb squad deactivated the car bomb. Other examples: debug, degrade, defrost, depart. Prefix dis means not or none. It also gives the opposite meaning of the word to which it is added. Example: disrespect means not showing respect. Some students disrespect their teachers. Other examples: disinfect, dishearten, disobey, disbelief. En prefix is used to form verbs. That means to put into something or to cause to be something. Example: enlarge. Here, large is an adjective and it becomes a verb when we add en as prefix to it. Enlarge means make or become larger. Sentence: he wanted to enlarge his lawn. Other examples are engulf, enlighten, encounter, encourage. Extra means more than needed or required. A word with prefix extra is extraordinary. It means more than ordinary. Its sentence is Rohan is a man of extraordinary personality. Other words are extramarital, extravagant, extra large. Hyper means excessive. An example of a word with prefix hyper is hypersensitive. It means excessively sensitive. She is hypersensitive to criticism and reacts badly to it. Other examples are hypertension, hyperactive, hypertoxic, hypersonic. Prefixes ill, im, in, ir and id mean not or without. An example of a word with prefix ill is illegal. It means not legal. It's illegal to drive below the age of 18. Other examples are impossible, injustice, irregular, ignoble. Prefix intra means within. Example word: intravenous means within veins. He was cured with intravenous antibiotics. Other example words are intracellular, intramolecular, intramuscular. Miss means wrong or bad or opposite of. Example word with prefix miss is misunderstand. It means understand wrongly. Many people misunderstand his patriotic speech. Other example words are misprint, misbehave, mislead, misjudge. Non means not. It implies negation or absence of something. Example word with prefix non is non-stop. It means without stopping. I would love to travel non-stop. Other example words are nonsense, non-toxic, non-living, non-stick. You must have noticed that there is a hyphen in some words with prefixes, while in others it's not present. For this, you have to consult a dictionary. Next comes prefix omni. It means everywhere or everything. Example, omnipresent, which means present everywhere. God is omnipresent. Other examples, omnipotent, omnivorous, omniscience. Prefix pre means before or prior to. Example word, pre-plan. It means to plan in advance or beforehand. We need to pre-plan our trip. Other examples, prepaid, preheat, prearrange, pre-war. Sub means below or at a lower rank or division. Example word with prefix sub is submerge. It means to go below the surface of the river or sea. The submarine submerged before the warship approached. Other words are subtitle, subway, sub-inspector, sub-engineer. Prefix tri means three. Example word, tricolor. It means with three colors. The national flag of India is a horizontal tricolor of saffron, white and green. Other example words are trisect, triangle, trilingual, trident. Here comes the last prefix un. It means not. Example word unusual, which means not usual or common. Her blood test results were unusual. Other example words unable, unblock, unhappy, uneven. Now it's time to test your learning. You have to add suitable prefixes to the given words. First word is freeze and we'll add anti to it to form a new word, antifreeze. Complete the remaining exercise yourself and then match your answers with the answers given here. All the words starting with these groups of letters don't have prefixes. They look like the ones, but actually they have different meanings. By careful study and practice, you will be able to differentiate these. Look at the words antique, institute, uncle, unique. In these words, antique has anti in the beginning, but it's not a prefix. Similarly, in and un in institute, uncle and unique are not prefixes. That's all for now. We'll meet soon. Do like and subscribe. Bye.